How to download Chase Bank direct deposit request form or as a PDF. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step guide in order to download it as a form as a PDF. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So it's super easy. For that, all we gotta do is directly head over to their deposit page. So you can search for Chase Direct and search for deposit form. And hit enter. When we do, we'll be finding this particular link. We need to click on the first link that appears. After that, once that site opens, we can head over and look out for the direct deposit form or download form. You can directly download it. This is the form right here. And here you can see when you open it up, you can look out for this option and you can look out for this download option and click on it, confirm it up, and you will be finding this form. So here you need to provide in these details: your customer name, your address, your state, your zip code, and we have option for your checking account or your savings account. Also provide in your bank's routing number. So go ahead and provide it up. Once that is done, you need to authorize it. So you can enter up your official name here or the name of the business. After that, click on customer signature and provide in your signature. Also, you need to provide in your date and go ahead and provide it. After that, you need to fill out the form and go ahead and submit it. Usually, you need to give the completed form to your HR or payroll department or follow the employer's instruction for the uploading of faxing. But you just need to follow this method and download it. It's super easy, and then you should be able to complete the form and save it to your computer or device. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.